I'll guide you through Apple's official built-in settings for iOS 26 to block junk messages without accidentally silencing important ones. If you're ready, click the like button. Let's get started. First, let's immediately deal with spam that has already landed. Open the Message app on the iPhone and locate the spam message. Tap the sender's number at the top to access their contact info. Tap the info icon to reveal more options. Now, scroll down and tap Block this caller to immediately stop messages from that number. For powerful combat against spammers, report the text directly to your carrier. Long press the message and select More. Then, tap the arrow icon to forward the text and send it to 7726. That spells spam, to help your carrier investigate. Now, let's activate the new iOS 26 native spam defense to filter future spam SMS. Open your Settings app. Scroll down and tap Messages to adjust your messaging preferences. Scroll further and toggle on the Filter Spam setting to engage Apple's updated spam detection algorithms. Next, you can also ensure Screen Unknown Sender is toggled on to silence notifications from people not in your contacts. This automatically routes potential spam to the Unknown Senders folder, keeping your main inbox safe and secured. Using these native iPhone security tools is safer and ensures your privacy is fully protected by Apple. If you have any queries or input, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials and check the description below for more. Thanks for watching.